Hi everybody, this is Brian Roddenberry with Power Bill Solutions, a company in Tallahassee, Florida, and I wanted to show everybody this cool little pool heater that pulls heat from the condenser from your air conditioner and puts it in the pool. And what you're looking at right here is a larger 2 horsepower single speed pool pump, and it pulls water from the pool right there. And what it does is it pushes it up through this pool house over to over to the condenser unit, and then it comes back into through that three-way valve to the sand filter, and then back through the sand filter, and then back to the pool. And we have these three-way valves here, so if the water for any reason needed to be diverted to the sand filter, back to the pool, and bypass the condenser, then there's an option for that, and we would just flip those valves around. So with that being said, I'll show you what we got on up top of the condenser. It makes a 120-foot run. That's why we had to go with a bigger pool pump. It makes a 120-foot run up to this condenser unit outside of the house. And the pool pump works on a switch, a timer, so to speak, that is triggered by this control unit right here. And that control unit determines when the pool needs heat and how much. If the pool is too hot, then it will divert that heat to the condenser unit. And so once it gets to 95 degrees or so, then, or however warm you want your pool, then it will switch it to the condenser, and it will send it to the condenser instead of this heat exchanger. Which you can see the water comes in from the bottom, goes up top, circulates through the heat exchanger, and then back to the sand filter. And and these are pretty much Freon lines that run in and out of this heat exchanger. And you can see that it's split with the line going to the condenser unit right now. And so what this control unit will do is it will determine where the heat needs to go from the hot Freon gas. And when it's going to the heat exchanger, as you see, this condenser unit won't be running. It won't run. And so that saves a lot of energy costs with the condenser unit not running. And it instead dumps it into the pool, dumps the heat into the pool, which is another level of efficiency where you're just getting a free pool heater, so to speak. So with that being said, I'm not really sure exactly what, that's some kind of switch right there. But anyway, that's a wrap, and that's the system.